another video from Learning with Sadhya. Today I'm back with an elocution video. So I will be giving tips on how you can improve your elocution. I hope you are ready and let's jump right into it. As mentioned in the title of this video, I'll be presenting 9 tips on how you can improve your elocution. Let's go ahead with tip number 1. Drink sufficiently. Drinking water or tea, not fruit tea, can adequately improve your vocal cords, moisten your vocal cords. So then when you speak in your presentation or speech or whatever, when you're presenting your elocution, you'll have clear vocal cords. You will present all the words clearly with moistened, good vocal cords. So it's important to drink water or tea, and again not fruit tea. Second tip, be rested. It's important that you are rested at all times when, let's say your presentation is in the evening. Let's say you are your presentation is oncoming and you have to be rested. This is an important tip because this can help you to be rested and have a good, smart, confident gesture. So being rested can also rest your vocal cords. If you talk too much, or let's say if you are in a very loud, noisy, smoky area, it can burden your vocal cords a lot. So the second tip is to be rested. It's a good tip actually. Yeah, it's a very good tip. Tip number 3, stand straight and keep your body weight balanced on both of your feet. And then keep your shoulders back, hunched back, and let your chest stand out. So this posture gives more volume for the vocal cords to speak out. So this is a very good gesture, a posture when speaking. Yes, it's a very good gesture when speaking. So this tip is also one of the good tips, one of the most important tips in elocution. Tip number 4 is inhaling deeply into your diaphragm and exhaling. So if you don't know, the diaphragm is the part around here, the body part around here. So you have to inhale deeply into the diaphragm and then exhale. So this tip is also one good tip for your elocution because this will make you feel very calm, even calmer, when you're speaking. So it can make you feel good and confident and make you calm. And then you don't even have to inhale in between when you're speaking long sentences. Tip number 5, develop your vocal resonance out of your chest. Try to keep a lower register of tone in your voice. Generally, a lower pitch is more pleasant to the ear. Tip number 6 is also a very good tip which can help you in your elocution. Recording your presentation, recording your speaking. So when you record your speaking, you can see all the errors you have in elocution, like how your tone of your voice is, what about the mistakes you make. When you record your presentation, you can fix all of this, right? Like listening to it and then fixing all the errors. Yes, this is also a very good tip. Tip number 7, do not speak in a rush. So when you're speaking slowly, you can speak very calmly, right? When you're speaking in when you're in a rush, you can speak going like a train and the audience won't understand a single thing you say. It's a single word. So it's important that you take a deep breath in after every single sentence, after finishing every single sentence, and in the breaks of your sentences, you can think of the next words. So you can speak without a rush like this and feel good and calm when you're speaking. Tip number 8, check how fast you are speaking. Speaking too fast can be a problem, while speaking too slow can also be a problem. So when you're speaking, it's important that the words also come out and also the words should be understood by the audience, right? So this is where recording your presentation tape is gonna help you out. So you can check out how fast you're speaking, whether every single word is clear, whether it can be understood. So this is also a good tip on how you can improve your elocution. Tip number 9, speaking clearly, the last tip of the day. So speaking clearly is one of the most important tips in elocution. If you are not clear, Why are you doing elocution? Why are you speaking if you're not clear? The audience can't understand anything. So again, recording your presentation is good here. So you can check how if you are speaking very well. Or doing tongue twisters is a very fun way of checking how clearly you are speaking. So like tongue twisters, they are super fast, right? So you have to pronounce all the words properly and clearly. So this is a very good way and a fun way where you can improve your speaking clearly. So guys, this is the end of this elocution video, and I hope the tips are really helpful in your elocution. So use these tips and improve your speech, right? Improve your presentation. And also, I'll be sending sample speeches in the end. Like, not in the end, I mean in the future, I'll be sending sample speeches for you guys so you can check out how clearly I'm speaking and all the tips, right? So, yes guys, this is the end of my video. Hope you subscribe my channel, and if you have any problems, you can comment down below and give a like to this video, and then also share my videos to the others who think that this video will be helpful for them. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye.